SunHydrogen Inc. stock, HYSR stock. So the stock appears to be rebounding from the 52-week lows of $0.0108. It printed on the 20th of November 2023. As things stand right now, it's underperforming the S&P 500. So we also noticed that as of exactly last week, that is last week the 28th of November, the company indicated that the CEO went to South Korea to a company known as COTEC, and it says here that the company made a strategic or rather the CEO made a strategic visit to COTEC's Changwon facility to view firsthand the progress at the newly established laboratory dedicated to SunHydrogen's technology. COTEC is poised to begin replicating SunHydrogen's nanoparticle-based technology, employing advanced industrial electroplating processes in this state-of-the-art facility. Meticulously set up by COTEC's team, the laboratory is fully equipped with the necessary equipment, chemicals, and characterization techniques to accelerate SunHydrogen's manufacturing process. Within one of SunHydrogen's generators, billions of patented photoelectrosynthetically active heterostructures (PAH) nanoparticles per square centimeter split apart water to generate hydrogen and oxygen. These PAH nanoparticles are composed of multiple layers of solar cells. The high voltage, high light absorbing particle properties of the solar cells enable the company to make them ultra-thin and with significantly fewer materials, lowering cost and raising efficiency. Together, SunHydrogen and COTEC will explore the development and implementation of electroplating solutions to translate SunHydrogen's existing PAH architecture and process to manufacturing scale while maintaining low cost, high efficiency. Okay, well, all of these sound noble, great, and even though there will be a lot of criticism there, a lot of criticism there, as it concerns the technology, and it concerns commercialization, and it concerns bringing in money, as it concerns going from this concept stage they have been on for a couple of years now into another stage. A lot of critics are there, so, but in any case, in the last video we forecasted, or rather we projected highs of around 0.0249. That last time we covered the stock was as of the 21st of June of this year. This is around a day after that, the 24th of June. Okay, after a few days after that, the stock continued. The stock rallied and met resistance at its 50-day moving average and declined, and even rallied further than that, broke above that 50-day moving average, and even dwelled above that 50-day moving average for a couple of sessions, and actually that rally, the day, a few sessions afterwards, I would say 2 sessions afterwards or thereabout, you reached where it made that resistance was around 0.0173, but afterwards, as of sometime in early to mid July, it broke above that 50-day moving average and reached the highs of or reached 0.0184. But we haven't seen 0.0249. We haven't seen it print. As a matter of fact, even before that time, early June, it hadn't I didn't have those sort of figures. The last time it was trading anything close to that was in March, as a matter of fact, around early to mid March. That was the last time it traded at those sort of prices, $0.249. But in any case, it has actually demonstrated some strength of late after declining to what seems to have been a previous 52-week low of 0.0131. And after that, there was a huge spike all the way. There was a 2 sessions afterward. It was a 2-session rally. It wasn't okay. Would say you say 2-session rally that took it all the way towards $0.0186. This the second of these two rallies was the bigger one. Okay, and After that, there was a decline, but even it rallied even further, or beyond 0.0182 to almost approximately $0.02. But weakness has since set in since that time. This high, this $0.02 was printed on the 12th of September. And so this trend we're looking at right now seems to, I'm skeptical about it, but the auto regression tool we're using here is not skeptical. It's saying that it's forecasting that this strength, that this rally is still going to be in effect up till Friday the 15th of December, and it's forecasting a price of $0.0182. $0.0182 is what it's forecasting. But in any case, the projection of its 10-period moving average, 10-day moving average is also indicating that strength will continue up till Monday the 11th, but decline on Tuesday, which is also what is projected on its price as well. So they are somewhat in tandem. Weakness is projected by Tuesday the 12th of December, but going going on further, the auto regression tool is saying that even with that, it's going to continue. It will rally further to 0.0187. But we have projections, upper projections on its for its, or rather based on its Fibonacci projections of all the way towards $0.028. This is even higher than the projection we had before. And then below that we have 0.0214, and then below that we have 0.0190, and these projections go all the way down to $0.0042. On its weekly chart, it's not the same. It's I think the reverse seems to be the case. Weakness is projected, but obviously the 10-day moving average is the weekly chart is prints every week. Okay, so whereas the daily chart prints every day at the close of every day, depending on what figures you want to have a look at, or depending on how you configure it to print end of the session or highs, all those kind of things. So but if you go to Monday the 11th, it's as a matter of fact, if you look at the projection on its on this weekly chart for Monday the 11th of December, we actually have a price that is even higher than what we saw on the daily chart. So it's $0.033. That's what we have. And there's also a Fibonacci projection, I want to believe around there, Fibonacci projection of $0.0320. So you could say to some extent that maybe there is you would say, I can say in a very short time that the auto regression tools are a lot more positive. They are a lot more ambitious, so based on, and all of these are just based on what has happened before. So is it because of the cycle we have seen here before, this kind of cycles, this kind of cycling it has, well, in any case, we'll see. But 0.03 is we take it all the way towards if 0.03 we take it all the way towards here. This is the sort of level it was at around I would say around February of this year. That would be impressive. That would be really impressive and interesting for a lot of market participants. But going by what we have seen of late, you'll be really, I'm sure you're really skeptical of about such projections. So yeah, see what you make of HYSR, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.